Hey YouTube! Today I'm posting a video about a Laserdisc sale with a Laserdisc player. I posted it in a newspaper about a week ago, and a guy called me and told me, "Hey, I want to buy it." And I said, "That's cool, man." So here we go. I'm just showing you what I'm going to sell. So first I'm selling my Denon Laserdisc player. It's both with Laserdisc, of course, and a CD player. So it's a cool player, and it has, I think, what you need today from a Laserdisc player. An AC3 output, video out, audio out. So the only thing it doesn't have is digital out, so you can play DTS Laserdiscs. But anyway, it's an okay player. I had it since 1999, I think. So I like that player. But I have a better one. It's the Pioneer CLD D925. So I'm happy about that. And of course, with the player, he gets some movies like you can see The Lion King, Liar Liar in a special signature edition with Jim Carrey. Funny movie. Titanic, Crimson Tide, Tin Cup, The River Wild, The Rock, Long Kiss Goodnight, Space Jam, LA Confidential, and so on. Some of them he gets doubles of because it's Laserdiscs I have double of in my collection. So but it's nice movies anyway. Oh, this one, a great movie, but awful on Laserdisc because it has Laser Rod. I think it's one of the worst releases, along with Eraser with Arnold Schwarzenegger. So Mission Impossible, another Twister, GoldenEye, Dragonheart, and a lot of other movies. So I think you'll be happy with this lot. He also gets this one, also a great box set to have in a collection. So I hope he'll enjoy this because he gets this fairly cheap, I think. So and cheap is about, if I have to put it in dollars, around $175, I think, for this lot and the player. So it's a good deal. I'll post another video because I'm picking up 140 movies. I have some of them, but I can sell them later. And a Pioneer DVL 909 Laserdisc player with a DV player also. So and I actually paid the same amount that he is giving for this. So I think I got a fairly great deal on this one. So I hope you enjoyed this little movie, and I'll be back when I picked up my other Laserdisc player and movies, and I'll post another video. Have an awesome nice day. Bye!